In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Roblox error code 268. Now, make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're first going to begin by opening up where you would go to Roblox. So, as you can see on Roblox Player, you're going to right-click and click on Open File Location. It will open the file location like so. Now, right-click on Roblox Player and click on Properties. Move to the Compatibility window and then click on Run this program in compatibility mode for, and make sure Windows 7 is clicked. None of these settings will be automatically clicked for you, so make sure to also click Run this program as an administrator. You're going to click Apply and click OK. And once that is actually finished, you can close this out. And if that does not fix the error code, this is one more thing that you can do to fix this error code. And that is to go to your settings, go to apps, and find Roblox and actually uninstall it and reinstall it again. So for myself, I would click uninstall right here and then go onto the Roblox website and reinstall it. And that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.